Good day, students. How are you today? I hope everybody is fine and safe, and all of you are ready for today's lesson. In our last lesson, we discussed about number or numbers like 1, 29, 56, 145, 3.5, 260.204, and more. And also in words like 1, 2, 3, 400, and more. Okay? Each digit in any number has a place value. And that is our lesson for today, place value. Okay, after this lesson, you are expected to define place value, give the place value of each digit of the given number, and rewrite number figure into phrase and vice versa. Okay, so what is place value? Place value, it is the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Okay? In place value, we use this chart, the place value chart. Okay? As you can see, it has three parts. Okay? The left side is the whole part, the right side is the decimal part, and the middle is the decimal point. Okay? Whole part represents the whole number, and decimal part is decimal numbers. Okay? In the right side, the whole part, it starts with ones. Okay? You can see that we just add letter S at the end, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Okay? Going to the left as the value gets bigger. Okay? While in the right, it starts with tens. Unlike in the whole number or whole part, it started with ones. Here, in decimal part, it starts with tens. You can see that we just add letter THS at the end. And going to the right as the value gets smaller. From tens, followed by hundreds. So we read hundreds as silent D. Okay, it's hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. And in the middle, we can see the decimal point. And we read decimal point as end. So remember, if you will read numbers with decimal point, don't forget to read end. Okay? The meaning is the number is or has decimal number. Okay? Let's have an example. Example 1. Give the place value of each number in 2.3. Okay? So using the value chart, the place value chart, since the whole number is 2, we put 2 in ones. Therefore, the place value of 2 is ones. Okay? Then, we put the decimal point, and in decimal number or decimal part, it is 3. So we put 3 in tens. So therefore, the place value of 3 is tens. Right. Okay. In words, we read 2.3 as 2 and 3 tenths. Okay. Again, don't forget to read the point as n. And don't forget to write the place value of the last digit. So our last digit is 3 and the place value of 3 is tenths. So we will put the tenths at the end. Again, it's 2 and 3 tenths. Okay? Don't be confused with that. So let's have another example. Okay? So let's give the place value of each number or each digit in the number 104.25. So again, we will use the chart And the whole number here is 104. So we will put 4 in ones. So it's up to you when will you start. You may start in 4 or in 1 or in left to right or vice versa. Okay? So the place value of 4 here is, yes, ones. Place value of 0 is tens. And we put 1 in hundreds, so the place value of 1 is hundreds. Okay, very good. So we put point in the middle. So our decimal part or decimal number is 25. So we will put 2 in tens. And the place value of 2 is tens. Okay. Now next is 5 to hundreds. Place value of 5 is hundreds. Okay. Don't be confused with that. Are we clear? Okay. So let's go to another example. So don't forget to read 104.25. So again, we will read as 104. Don't forget to read the point as and 25. So if you write the numbers like 25, don't forget to write or to put hyphen between 20 and 5. Okay? Hyphen or dash. So that is 25. And the place value is hundreds. Since the place value of our last digit 5 is hundreds. Again, 104 and 25 hundreds. Okay? Don't be confused with that. Next, let's give the place value of each digit in the number point or 0.615. So, as you can see, we only have 0 as the whole number. So, we put 0 in ones, followed by, so 0 is ones, followed by decimal point, and the decimal number is 615. So, we'll put 6 in tenths. Place value of 6 is tenths. So 1 is in hundreds. Place value of 1 is hundreds. 5 in thousands. Place value of 5 is thousands. Very good. Okay. In words, we will read this as 615 thousands. Okay. So we will not read point or end since we do not have whole number here except 0. And as you can see, the place value here of 6, 6 followed by 100. So don't be confused with this. We only put the place value of, or we are going to use only the place value of the decimal at the end. Okay, thousands. But here, 6, we will use 100, not the hundreds. Okay, again, it's 615 thousands. Just put or just write the place value of the last digit. Okay, next. Let's have another example, number 4. Okay, let's have a little bit longer. It's 7,639.4816. Okay, so let's give the place value of each digit. Again, using the value chart, our whole number here is 7,639. So let's start with 9 in ones. So the place value of 9 is ones, followed by 3, which is tens. 6, place value is hundreds. 7, place value is thousands. Okay, so we're done with the whole number. So don't forget, put decimal point. So our decimal number here is 4816. Let's start with 4. Let's put in tens. So the place value of 4 is tens. 8, place value of 8 is hundreds. And 1 is thousands. For the last, let's put 6 in 10,000. So the place value of 6 is 10,000. Okay? Again, don't be confused with that. You can review this. Okay? So in words, we will write this number 7,639. Again, don't forget to put or to write dash or hyphen in between 30 and 9. Okay? So, we'll put again n as the decimal point, and for the decimal number 4,000, okay, we will use thousand instead of thousands since this is not the end of the number. 4,816 10,000s. Okay, since the place value of the last digit 6 is 10,000s. Again, let's read. It's 7,639 and 4,816 10,000s. Okay, are we clear on that? Don't be confused. Okay, so now it's your turn. Okay, the direction is just what we did just a while ago. We're going to give the place value of each digit of the following numbers, then rewrite your answer. If it is in number, going to rewrite in phrase and vice versa. Okay, number 1, 212 hundredths. Number 2, 86 hundredths. Number 3, 19 hundredths. Number 4, 2,782,102 and 1 tenths. And number 5, 35 and 263 thousandths. Okay? I hope you are all done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.